Rose. It's very nice to see you once again. And once again, another box opening with more items. Those items, I bet you don't have lots of fun with. But I don't know who was really more excited, you or your dad. Because the way your dad was holding them and showing everybody before you did. I think your dad was having a little bit more fun with them. But you better watch it. Don't let him play with them. Because he might get too addicted. Tell him to get his own little package. Anyway, I hope you do have lots of fun with it. And keep those boxes coming. And I'm going to keep on watching these box opening. You take care, Rose. And I shall see you real soon.